Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple and beautiful kurta neckline. I have already prepared the shoulders armhole and I'm taking the depth of the neckline to be like 7.5 inches, which is absolutely depends upon you can increase or decrease the neckline depth as you like. So from the top, I'm going to just draw a line from the shoulder joining till that 7.5 inches line like this. So inside this, I'm going to draw a very beautiful neckline and just make sure that the shoulders are even before drawing that. So from the half the way, I'm going to draw it from the folded edge of the fabric. It's going to go all the way up like such. Okay. And I'm going to give an interfacing for this. So I'll be cutting this neckline like this. And hope you know most of my video I have shown you a very clear description on how to attach the interfacing, how to sew that, and how to press the interfacing with the fabric. So same like that, I have folded the interfacing canvas in half, matching the folded edge with the fabric like this, and I'm drawing the same neckline on my interfacing canvas. And this is the interfacing canvas with the neckline. So you have to cut the exact neckline measurement, and you're going to give a 1 inch of seam allowance, and I'll be marking that outside the interfacing canvas neckline like this. So just like that, you're going to give a 1 inch of allowance and you're going to cut the same. So the next thing is you're going to press this in a piece of fabric, the same black color fabric, and you're going to sew the raw edge just by folding that side. So now you can see I have placed that in a piece of fabric and I have pressed that fine, and you can see I'm just folding the raw edge like this. So little by little I'm just folding that in. I have made some notches so that I can make the turn nice and neat. So the next step is I'm just placing the interfacing canvas to the pretty side of the fabric. We have already made the neckline and I am just placing that on just on the exact neckline, and I'm sewing on the exact margin like this. So I have just marked the neckline where I'm sewing because you won't be seeing the neckline stretch. So the blue line is the point where I'm sewing on the neckline. So at the exact point, you're going to put the needle in and you're going to turn the fabric, and you'll be sewing the entire neckline like this. Once it's done, make sure that you add some notches so that the neckline turn nice and neat. Okay. And then just remove the pins from the interfacing canvas, and you have to turn the interfacing canvas to the wrong side. It's a beautiful black color rayon fabric, and I'm turning the rayon fabric into a beautiful outfit by adding a vibrant color of neckline. So this is a piece of fabric that I'm going to attach for my neckline. It has a beautiful pink color and a gray color in that. So I have made a cross piece, that's a bias strip. So I'm going to join the bias strips together. So make sure that the pointed tip is matched with the pretty sides together, and you're going to put a stitch on top of that. So these are the bias strip cross piece is being joined together, and again this is also a rayon fabric. And now I'm going to cut this pointed tip like this and remove the excess fabric if you have. So now once it's been joined into a long piece of fabric, all you're going to do is I'm just going to match the pretty sides together like this, and I'll be putting a straight stitch from the top till the end of this fabric. So all you're going to do is just match the pretty sides and you're going to put a stitch like this. Okay, so it's going to be a straight stitch. Do not pull the fabric, as this is a bias strip, it does have a good stretch. So just like that, place the fabric on top and you're going to sew the raw edges nice and neat. And once it's done, you're going to turn the fabric inside out. Okay, I'm just sewing it in a long strip like this. Say I'm going to use the loop turner to turn the entire fabric in. And if you have, you can try it with some pins or with the needle. So I have this loop turner so that it makes my work really easy. Okay, so yeah, I'm just locking that at the top, and with one stretch you can see the entire fabric will turn out really neat and nice. And now you can see I just got my pretty sides out. So the next step is placing the stitched line down. I'm going to press the fabric nice and neat. You can see at the top it's going to look flat, and the down part will be having the stitch line like this. So once it's done, we are going to attach this strip of bias fabric on my neckline like such, starting from the top half the way down, and to the next side I'm going to continue by sewing till the like 15 inches. And you can see little by little I'm going to sew on the exact margin of the neckline. So to the one side I'm going to cut that till half a end, and you can see. So make sure that the black color fabric is not visible, and you're going to sew at the exact margin of the neckline. So sew it little by little like such, and it just gives a very beautiful look because the black color rayon fabric and these pretty beautiful color rayon fabric makes the dress really nice. And now till half the way I'm going to cut this out, and once it's done I'm going to start from the next side, and it's going to overlap the other side neckline, and it came out really beautiful. And little by little I'm going to sew in the neckline like this. Okay, so you're going to overlap the raw edge of the one side neckline, and from the top I'm just sewing for like 15 to 16 inches. So this strip of fabric is absolutely depends upon you, as much you want you can sew that. So at the end point I'm going to make it like a square, and I'm going to sew all the way up now. Okay, so even beginners can try this. You can make your own outfit, you can design your own outfit just by giving a beautiful neckline like this. Even a plain color fabric will turn so beautiful if you have added a vibrant and beautiful color like this. So now my neckline is done, and to the middle of this strip I have added a beautiful pearl beads to make it more beautiful like this. And hope you like this video, and if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. So see you next time. Till then, take care.